everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is going to be a jewelry haul, and these jewelries are from Meesho. Okay, now I will let you know what is Meesho at the end of the video. And currently I have these oxidized jewelry with me, and it is a most requested video from most of you. So let's get started. Okay guys, now people who don't have Meesho app, I have provided my link in the description box below. You can go and download it from that link so that you get 30% off or up to 100 rupees off on your first order. Okay, so do not forget to download from the link which is given below. Okay, so the first piece is this beautiful earring. Okay, so most of you who watch my videos regularly would have seen me wearing this earring. Now this goes well with your traditional attire and your western attire as well. On different kind of kurtas you can wear this earring. Okay, only earring will look good. As you can see, it looks good along with this top as well. So you can have a closer look, and the prices will be displayed on the screen on the left side because I don't remember the prices, and the pricing is way too affordable, so you can grab them. And the next piece is this beautiful neck piece. Okay, now this is the wool. Okay, and let me show you this beautiful piece. It's very affordable, guys. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, so here it is. It has these pink and orange stones, and then this oxidized work. Now this again you can wear with any of your western or traditional dresses. Only this also will look good if you get a earring along with this. So you can just see how beautiful this looks, and it covers your total neck. Okay, according to your convenience you can do it. You want a little higher or lower, and along with this you get 2 earrings as well. This is how the earring looks like. It's very cute and nice. Okay, so if you want you can wear this alone, or if you want you can pair it with the earrings as well. Now it depends on my attire. If it feels that I have to wear only the neck piece, then I wear only the neck piece, not the earring. But some attires I do feel that I have to wear the earring, so this is how I wear them. Okay, you can just see how beautiful this looks. Now it changes the total look. Now it comes with a good packaging as well. And the next set is, it's a 3-piece set, guys. Comes in such kind of packaging. Packaging is really very good. Need not worry about the packaging. Now a lot of you asked me about this neck piece. As you can see. Okay. So yeah, you can see how good it looks. Now comes with a beautiful finger ring as well. Now again I have worn this on my videos. Okay, and comes with a beautiful earring. Now it's way too affordable, guys. Looks very pretty. Looks nice, isn't it? Yeah, so this is the third one, and the fourth piece is even more beautiful. In fact, I love all the pieces. It's stunning, and the pricing is way too good. Okay, and the next one is again comes in such kind of box packaging, and it's really very good. Okay, so again it is these kind of chain thing which is made out of wool. Okay, so this is again a beautiful oxidized choker. You can wear it as a choker or a necklace. Let me show you. Goes well again with your western attire or your traditional attire. Okay, now you can wear it like this as well, like a choker. Let me show you. Now you can wear it like this as well, or if you don't want to wear like this, you can just wear it like a neck piece. Can you see? You can wear it like this, but I feel this looks more better, so I'll wear it like that. Okay, and you see it totally covers your neck, and along with that you get such beautiful pair of earring which has I think a parrot. So again, if you want, you can choose to wear the earring along with the choker or just a choker. Looks good. Okay, so here it is. Looks nice, right? You can have a closer look. Okay guys, so you just saw the jewelries. I hope you loved it. I equally love it. Now let me tell you, Meesho's products don't has any kind of link. Okay, so it has product code. Now I will be mentioning the product code on the screen and in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. Now what you have to do is go to the Meesho app, on the search bar put up the code and you will get the product. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now let me tell you what is Meesho app. Meesho is India's #1 earning app. You can earn money with zero investment by just sharing the pictures to your friends and families. Okay, and it has 7 days return and exchange policy, which is taken care by Meesho itself. It has cash on delivery as well. So if anybody of your customers or anybody wants it as cash on delivery also, you can do that. And it has you know, a thing where you will have to mention your margin as well. So whatever margin has been given there will be credited to your account. So if you are regular with this business, then you can earn 25,000 per month. Okay, and this is more suitable for a part-time job or for housewives. That's it guys. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.